In this video, we will discuss how to deliver a hydrofacial treatment to the hand. Before beginning, remove any lotion or cream from the skin. Using the blue tip, moisten and condition the hand with Active 4 by dabbing and spreading. Dab 3 times and spread. Work your way up the hand. Next, use 2 long overlapping strokes. After every 2 strokes, continue up the hand to ensure full coverage. Repeat this process, applying strokes across and up the hand for a total of 2 passes. With the teal tip and Glysal, exfoliate the skin using light feathering strokes. Perform 1 full pass to the entire hand. Do not overlap the strokes and do not rub the Glysal into the skin. If it drips, gently press it into the pores. Next, neutralize the skin using a moist sponge and clean the system. Boosters can be added to create a customized treatment based on the client's needs. The boosters include Dermabuilder, Brightenol, and CTGF. Perform a kiss and twist application with the clear tip and consider applying LED lights. Apply Antiox Plus using a tight grid pattern. Take time to bathe the skin enough so that moisture no longer absorbs. This may require more than 1 pass depending on the skin. Repeat this process on the other hand. For the optimal experience, educate your clients on what they can expect during and after the treatment. Thank you for partnering with us at Hydrafacial. We look forward to supporting your ongoing success.